What if the best time for your brain to strengthen a memory is when you're asleep? You study something during the day. You close the book, you go to bed. And while you're completely unaware of it, your sleeping brain continues processing memories. This isn't a myth. Sleep has an important role in memory consolidation, the process through which newly acquired memories become more stable over time. Research has repeatedly found benefits of sleep for later memory performance. But the science is more fascinating than simply saying, sleep makes you remember. Researchers have found that memories can be reactivated during sleep. One important area involved in episodic memory is the hippocampus. During sleep, recently acquired memories can be replayed through patterns of brain activity, and this process is thought to contribute to consolidation. And recent research has revealed something even more interesting. Sleep isn't simply one uniform state. Different phases and patterns of sleep appear to play different roles in how memories are processed. Research published in Nature found that memory replay during non-REM sleep can be organized in different brain states, helping separate newly learned information from older memories. In experiments with mice, disrupting particular memory replay events during these states impaired the consolidation of newly learned information. But here's where we need to be careful. Scientists are still working out exactly how sleep produces these effects. A 2026 review concluded that sleep clearly plays an important role in memory consolidation, but the idea that overnight consolidation simply frees up the brain to make room for new learning does not yet have clear evidence. So the real story isn't sleep magically downloads knowledge into your brain. It doesn't. You still have to learn. You still have to pay attention. You still have to retrieve and practice information. But once you've learned something, sleep may become part of the process that helps your brain stabilize that memory. Think about that. Your day is when you experience and learn. Your night is not simply an empty space between 2 days. Your sleeping brain remains biologically active, and some of the information you've recently encountered can be processed during that time. So if you're studying for an exam, learning a new skill, or trying to remember something important, don't think of sleep as time stolen from learning. It may be part of learning itself. The mystery is that scientists still don't completely understand everything happening inside the sleeping brain. And perhaps that's the most fascinating part. Every night, your brain enters a state where memories can be replayed, reorganized, and consolidated. You wake up, and the person you are remembering may be slightly different from the person who went to sleep. Not because your brain stopped working, but because it didn't. This is MINDSCAPE Paradox, where the mind meets the impossible. And sometimes the most important work your brain does happens while you don't even know it's happening. Subscribe and discover the real science hiding inside the human mind.